So I'm in Weebly and I'm going to go to create a site. I just need a website. And then here you're faced with several themes. Now you can choose whichever theme you want to choose. In one of the videos that I recorded, I chose portfolio and I chose this one. So you can choose whichever one you want. You can choose, this one would be a good one to choose for beginners. Because ultimately you're going to edit to add certain elements that are required anyway. So you just want to choose one that you feel comfortable with, and I would recommend this one because it's easy to change. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on it and click on Start Editing. Okay, so here's where you go about selecting your domain name. So what you want to do is type in your name or initials. Make sure it's a professional name that you use because this is going to be your portfolio. I'm going to type in CTI, those are my initials, another portfolio 2. So yours might be Sharita Grant portfolio, e-portfolio. Let's try. Then you're going to hit search, and it gives you these options to tell you what's available. This is available. So these are professional domains. You don't want to choose this because you have to pay for it. You're going to choose this one, which is a subdomain. So make sure you choose the subdomain, and yours will be different. But you're going to before I go any further, this is the actual web address. If you choose it, this is the actual web address of your e-portfolio, and this is what you'll turn in to your instructor. So you're going to select choose. I'm going to, and again, after you publish your website, it will be available at this web address. Okay, so I'm going to hit done. And let's pretend that I have gone in, I've changed out these pictures to be what I want, I've added all my pages, and I've changed so I've changed all this to be the e-portfolio. Let's pretend I'm finished. When I'm finished, I'm going to click publish. All right, website published, and there is my web address. This is the web address that I will turn in. So if I click on it, it'll open up in another page. As you can see here, that's the website, and this is live. This is a real website. So you right now, if you go pull up your internet browser and open a new tab and type in this web address, you will come to this page, and it will look all like this, all this stuff on it. So that's how you go through the process of setting up your domain, choosing your theme. The theme, again, choose one you feel comfortable with changing. I would recommend this one because it's simple and easy to change. So if you have any more questions, please let me know. Thanks.